NCAA at GMA Network lumagda na sa MOA para mapanood sa iba't ibang Kapuso platforms ang Season 96 to 101. Naritong report.
Formal nang pumirma ng Memorandum of Agreement ang National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA at GMA Network Incorporated para sa makasaysayang partnership para sa NCAA Season 96 hanggang NCAA Season 101. Kasama sa virtual signing sina GMA Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, GMA COO and President Gilberto Duave Jr. at GMA Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong at mga GMA Senior Executives na sina Lizelle G. Maralag, Chief Marketing Officer, Ronaldo P. Mastrile, Senior Vice President for Finance and ICT, Reggie C. Bautista, Chief Risk Officer and Senior Vice President for Corporate Strategic Planning and Program Support, at Oliver Victor Beltran Amoroso, Vice President and Head ng GMA Regional TV and Synergy. Sa panig ng NCAA, naroon si NCAA Season 96 Policy Board President, Father Rector Clarence Victor Marquez, Order of Priest, ang presidente ng Colegio de San Juan de Letran na siyang host ng NCAA Season 96. Present din ang Management Committee officials at Policy Board mula sa 10 NCAA member schools.
We are looking forward to show everyone, including our Kapuso abroad, the world-class talent of our young Filipino student athletes. Rest assured that we will give what is best for them as we wholeheartedly welcome the NCAA into our home. Dito sa Kapuso Network, patuloy kami magiging buong puso para sa inyo at para sa Pilipino. The contribution we can give to NCAA is the very wide exposure, not only in our television but in our other platforms.
Sa ilalim ng kasunduan, mapapanood na sa GMA Network, GMA News TV at iba pa nitong platforms ang sporting events ng NCAA mula Season 96 hanggang NCAA Season 101.
More than putting ink into paper, this Memorandum of Agreement between the NCAA and GMA Network Incorporated is really an act of hope, pag-asa, committing the 10-member schools of the first and longest-running collegiate athletic league in partnership with the #1 multimedia network to fulfilling the dreams of our student athletes through healthy and safe competition.
Ang NCAA ang pinakauna at pinakamatagal na liga sa Pilipinas at binubuo ng 10 kolehiyo at universidad sa Metro Manila: Arellano University, Colegio de San Juan de Letran, De La Salle College of St. Benilde, Emilio Aguinaldo College, Jose Rizal University, Lyceum of the Philippines University, Mapua University, San Beda University, San Sebastian College Recoletos, at University of Perpetual Health System Dalta.
The first athletic league in the country and Asia deserves to be in the #1 network in the Philippines. Arriba, NCAA, at GMA.
Tiniyak ng NCAA na iaayon nila ang lahat ng sporting events sa mga safety at health protocols ng gobyerno at titiyakin ang kaligtasan at kalusugan ng lahat ng student athletes at mga staff. Russell Simorio, Balitang Amyanan.